Welcome to Monday Flourish. I'm Fern with Fern Yoga and Wellness. This month, we've been practicing restorative poses to help us slow down, anchor, and come home to ourselves. Today, we'll wrap up the month of October with the final restorative pose of Shavasana. This is the perfect opportunity to just pause and reflect. Notice where we've shifted, what we've released, and what we've learned about ourselves. So let's take a few minutes together to allow the practices from this month to integrate by resting in Shavasana, the ultimate resting pose. So let's come on down to our mat. Okay, so let's come on to our backs. Lengthen out your legs and just allow your feet to fall naturally to the side. And if it's more comfortable, feel free to bend your knees and just allow your knees to rest on each other. Find a comfortable shape. Close your eyes and begin to relax. Softening the jaw. Relaxing the neck and the shoulder. Feeling the earth holding you here. Breathe easily through the nose and exhaling through the mouth. Begin to feel your body softening and melting into your mat. And now ask yourself these questions. What did I release this month? Where did I find steadiness? And how will I move forward into November? There's no need to seek the answers. Just release them out into the universe, and the answers will come to you in unexpected ways. And continue to rest for a few more minutes, and I'll bring you back when it's time. Begin to return to your space. And maybe moving your head from side to side, just gently waking up, getting some movement in your hands and your legs. And when you're ready, roll to your side. And then slowly bring yourself up to seated position. So as you move into your week, just carry this sense of renewal with you. And as the holiday season begins to pick up energy, just remember that you can return to these practices at any time, just to restore your energy and enthusiasm and joy for the holiday season. So next month, I'm going to go free form. I won't have a theme or a topic planned out, but if you have something that you'd like me to talk about, please leave it in the comments for consideration. And remember that we have Pause and Mingle this Wednesday, and I am still trying to figure out my November schedules. So I think there's one Pause and Mingle on the calendar now. Um, but November is looking pretty busy, so I will try to work it in when I can. And I hope to see you on Wednesday. So take care, have a wonderful week, and namaste.